Welcome to the Mechanics Assistant, a software tool developed in collaboration with MIT to help DoD mechanics make repairs accurately and quickly using generative AI. The US Navy has a maintenance backlog of $1.8 billion. This has led to the decommissioning of 9 ships. The Air Force is struggling to keep its most capable combat aircraft ready to fly, with mission-capable rates for the F-22 and F-35 remaining stagnant at around 50%. This is because of a shortage of senior mechanics. The Air Force has the least ready fleet of aircraft in its history. The Navy is able to repair less than 40% of its ships on time. We have developed a mechanics assistant that converts maintenance manuals into knowledge graphs. These knowledge graphs are then fed into a large language model that generates detailed, step-by-step instructions for the mechanic. In addition to the text, the mechanics assistant includes a parts list, a tools list, and schematics of the part to be maintained. The mechanics assistant also has an interactive chat GPT-like mode where the mechanic can ask for specific details and the mechanics assistant will provide answers. The mechanics assistant is currently at TRL 4. We will take it to TRL 7 with authority to operate during Phase 2. Here we see an application of the mechanics assistant helping a sailor complete a 2-kilo maintenance form for the Navy. With the mechanics assistant, the ship's mechanic logs into the system, selects the kind of maintenance, and selects the ship's name. This automatically triggers the ship's UIC and hull number to be filled in. The next step is to select the work center code from a drop-down list. After this, the mechanic can fill in additional optional fields. The mechanic then goes to block 35 to fill the remarks section. If the mechanic is not familiar with the remarks block, they can ask the mechanics assistant for help. The mechanic types in remarks, and the mechanics assistant gives a description of what the remarks block is. If the mechanic needs further help, there is a button to help them write the text. They just give a description of the problem. There are 3 different parts to it. The mechanics assistant uses generative LLM to generate correct technical text for it. The mechanic can review and edit it and fill out the block. The next step is generating the summary. The mechanics assistant can do that automatically. Then the mechanic can save the 2-kilo form to a PDF or JSON file that can be downloaded to a portable device, printed or saved to the correct directory. With the mechanics assistant, the mechanic can fill out a complex 2-kilo form and generate accurate maintenance instructions with little training. From our conversations with NAVSEA, NAVAIR, and Air Force maintenance squadrons, the mechanics assistant is projected to improve maintenance staff productivity by up to 20%, improve maintenance staff learning time by up to 15%, reduce maintenance backlog by up to 10% in the first year of full deployment. This will have a dramatic effect on the readiness level of the US Armed Forces, particularly in the Pacific Theater, where naval and Air Force availability is key to guaranteeing freedom of navigation in places like the South China Sea. Currently, the Navy uses manual methods for filling in 2-kilo forms. Similarly, the Air Force has trouble determining the actual cause of reported problems. The mechanics assistant overcomes these problems by using knowledge graphs. Knowledge graphs provide accurate instructions and answers that are not prone to common LLM hallucinations. The knowledge graphs also have the ability to learn from small training sets and create compact knowledge representations that can be stored in small edge devices. The mechanics assistant's compact size allows it to be secure to train and run on air-gapped computers. Unlike other models, the mechanics assistant does not need to connect to the internet to either train or generate instructions, making it secure. We will commercialize the mechanics assistant with the Department of Defense and the commercial sector. We estimate the total available market for the DoD to be $550 million annually. We estimate the commercial market to be 10 times that size at $6.7 billion annually. We have identified specific people in NAVSEA and NAVAIR who have expressed interest in the mechanics assistant. During Phase 2, we will work with NAVSEA to build a TRL 7 mechanics assistant that has authority to operate and can be tested on board Navy ships. In addition, we have identified 57 maintenance squadrons in the US Air Force. We have already approached 3 squadrons that have expressed interest in the mechanics assistant. During the Phase 2 work, we will also develop a version of the mechanics assistant for the commercial market in shipping and airlines, where a military-grade mechanics assistant is a very attractive option for both industries. We have received interest from 3 VC firms to invest in the mechanics assistant. We look forward to making the US Armed Forces the best that they can be by having the best availability of their equipment.